saying goodbye to the dinghy. There it goes. That's our old dinghy.
Hi, I'm Ron.
And I'm Marie.
10 years ago, we bought a broken down trawler for $4,000.
And nothing worked, not even the kitchen sink.
After a lot of hard work and help from our friends and family, we moved aboard Elixir full time. And now we are cruising this old boat while the work and fun continues.
So subscribe and give us a like and come along with us, cruising this old boat.
In the morning, when you walk away, my heart drops to the floor. They said it would get easier, but I don't know who for. Days move faster now, I swear, I can feel them slip away. But some things last forever, the love that never fades. It's easy to make promises for the young and free, but you kept every word you said, and you stayed true to me. We lean into the great beyond, there's more love yet to make. 'Cause some things last forever, but love that never fades.
Okay, new reality TV show. 2 girls, 1 kitchen. Will they survive?
Jennifer, what are you doing?
Alright, let's see some refried beans being slung.
Because some things last forever, the love that never fades. Dishes and tears, I'm standing here, I know it sounds cliche. A blanket of this history covers me today. In between the bliss and underneath the ache, in the tenderness, a single thread remains. It's deeper than a sentiment, it's a fierce and holy rage. Some things last forever, but love that never fades. But love that never fades.
Out with the old and in with the new. Thanks to a wonderful person who has donated a dinghy, a new dinghy to us, because they saw the difficulties we were having. Both Ron and I have a lot of shoulder problems, and I just basically couldn't get the thing started. And when we were over, well, we started having problems with it getting started for last year. We had 5 different mechanics look at it. Finally, when we were in the Bahamas and we were having to row it everywhere, a mechanic said that the outboard needed to be rebuilt or replaced. So a wonderful person that has jumped in and is replacing our dinghy for us. And we're looking so much forward to getting the new dinghy. They told us pick what you want, and so it's got a well, we'll have to tell you about it later.
Dear Irene, I wish that you could be here. The apple trees have grown to be so tall. It's been years and tears between our time together. Little children running in the hall. I went looking for the reasons in the darkness. Could I really be that kind of man? And I think that I was taking you for granted.
Tell us what that is.
I think this is my great uncle. Family history can get a little spotty going back there, but the name's right, the area's right, and the time's right. So it's entirely possible. But I do know that this was the co-op that my grandparents were a part of.
Harold's.
That's awesome.
Harold Fruit Company was a part of the Indian River Fruit Company. It's right here too.
Didn't expect to see that, did you?
No.
No, just walking in a hardware store.
And the face looks really like popping in the face, which is the Harold.
And I stacked the bricks so high they fell down on me. Just another guy whose time has come and gone. I've been running around with a crew of broken shadows.
Bye.
Bye.
Enjoyed your visit. Love you too. Bye-bye.
I have memories, vacations by the sea. And now
What do you think?
Yep, I think we have a satellite.
Needs a little more stuff. I gotta take tie wraps and tidy up the cord.
So is the satellite back and running now again?
It's up and running. I hope. Well, I haven't gone and looked at it, but I plugged it back in.
How come we have an extra bolt?
Got 2 bolts.
Why do you always have extras? What'd you do, buy new ones?
Yeah, because these weren't long enough.
Oh.
Even the new ones are barely long enough.
Oh. Oh, satellite just moved. But it's still moving. So I guess it's not up and running yet. It's trying.
It's looking for a satellite. Well,
Cool.
we know it turns. It's above head.
Yeah.
Hit it.
You can end up painting that
Yeah, I'll paint him white.
Is that aluminum?
It's aluminum just like the mast.
Uh-huh. Well, we need to repaint the mast anyway.
Yep.
But yeah, just
Plenty of
painting.
room for him to pivot without hitting the mast.
Yeah. Good. Boy, we got a mess on our deck. Look at all this.
Yeah.
I had fenders ready to put out for when we come in, and then we didn't need them. Where's that guy gonna stay?
Yeah, I haven't figured that out yet.
Can he be outside?
I'm assuming so. His connectors are waterproof.
Uh-huh. Are you gonna be attaching him?
Yeah, I'm attaching him somewhere.
Oh,
Just
okay.
haven't decided where yet.
Yeah, we got a disaster on our deck, don't we?
Yep.
We don't stay put long enough to get anything taken care of. Look at the beautiful view, though.
Oh, it's been a beautiful day. Wind wind finally calmed down. I don't know how long it's been since it's been a calm day.
Ron got a new toy.
Oh, that's just one of them.
Yeah, you got metric and standard.
Yeah, this is the metric. You know, let's see the standard. The biggest one I had before was 5/8. The biggest wrench I had in my previous kit was 5/8.
And you got,
So I had these. Now I got all these.
oh, so you had these and up to here before?
Yeah, just up to that.
Oh,
point
up to
there.
here.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You only had 5 before?
That's what I've been dealing with.
Wow.
So anything bigger, I had to go get a crescent wrench. And even my crescent wrench, my adjustable wrench, even my adjustable wrench didn't go this big. That's wonderful.
That's why you're having to borrow.
Yep.
Now you don't have to borrow. Now people will be borrowing from you.
All right, I got to show you this. You may have heard me mention in previous videos that we are having problems with the chart plotter on our lower helm. It's especially affecting us when we're at anchor because it keeps setting off the anchor drag alarm when we're not dragging. So we've now been tied to a dock here in Cocoa Village for about a week. Look at this. All these lines just going all over the place, and yet you know we're not moving, we're tied to a dock, but it has us going long distances up under the land and everything, and that's what's setting off our anchor drag alarm. All those black lines are where allegedly Elixir has gone, and you can see they're on land, so there's no way Elixir went there. So we are going to have to replace this chart plotter, but on top of everything else that's happened recently, we don't have the money right now, so we're just going to have to live with it.